Nutrition plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. By making smart food choices, we can prevent many health problems and even reverse some of the damage caused by poor diet. In this video, we'll explore the health problems that can be avoided with nutrition. Let's start with obesity. Did you know that nearly 40% of adults in the US are obese? Obesity is a major risk factor for many chronic diseases, including heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and even some cancers. However, by making dietary changes, we can reduce our risk of these diseases. One study found that a plant-based diet can help people lose weight and improve their overall health. The study showed that people who followed a plant-based diet lost an average of 5 pounds more than those who followed a non-vegetarian diet. Another study found that eating a high-fiber diet can reduce the risk of obesity and related diseases. Furthermore, research has shown that processed foods are a major contributor to obesity. Processed foods tend to be high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats, while also being low in nutrients. In contrast, whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide essential nutrients and help keep us full longer. By focusing on whole foods and avoiding processed ones, we can greatly improve our health and reduce our risk of obesity. High blood pressure is another health problem that can be prevented with nutrition. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy products can help reduce blood pressure. According to the American Heart Association, reducing sodium intake is also important for preventing and managing high blood pressure. In addition, a meta-analysis of 12 studies found that eating a diet rich in potassium can also lower blood pressure. Potassium-rich foods include bananas, avocados, spinach, and sweet potatoes. By incorporating these foods into our diet, we can greatly reduce our risk of high blood pressure and related diseases. Diabetes is a growing health problem in the US, affecting more than 34 million people. However, research shows that a healthy diet can help prevent and manage diabetes. For example, a study found that people who followed a Mediterranean-style diet had a 52% lower risk of developing diabetes than those who followed a low-fat diet. Moreover, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that a low-carbohydrate diet can improve blood sugar control and reduce the need for diabetes medication. Low-carbohydrate diets focus on healthy fats, lean proteins, and non-starchy vegetables, while minimizing processed carbohydrates and sugars. By following a low-carbohydrate diet, we can improve our health and reduce our risk of developing diabetes. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak bones, is another health problem that can be prevented with nutrition. Consuming foods rich in calcium and vitamin D can help build strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Examples include dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. Furthermore, research has shown that magnesium, vitamin K, and potassium also play a role in bone health. Magnesium-rich foods include nuts, seeds, and legumes, while vitamin K is found in leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Potassium-rich foods include bananas, avocados, spinach, and sweet potatoes. By incorporating these nutrients into our diet, we can greatly reduce our risk of osteoporosis and maintain strong bones. Finally, let's talk about skin problems. Many people suffer from skin problems like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Research suggests that a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed, can help reduce inflammation and improve skin health. In addition, eating a diet high in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, can help protect our cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. A study found that eating a high antioxidant diet was associated with a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. Another important health problem that can be prevented with nutrition is cognitive decline. As we age, our brain function naturally declines, but research suggests that a healthy diet can help slow this process. A study found that people who followed a Mediterranean-style diet had better cognitive function than those who followed a low-fat diet. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, which includes conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, can also be managed with nutrition. Research shows that certain diets, such as the specific carbohydrate diet and the low FODMAP diet, can improve symptoms of IBD and even induce remission in some cases. In addition, a healthy diet can also improve our mental health. Studies have found that people who eat a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains have a lower risk of depression and anxiety. On the other hand, a diet high in processed and fried foods has been linked to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Pregnant women also need to pay close attention to their nutrition for the health of both themselves and their babies. A healthy diet during pregnancy can reduce the risk of complications like gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. It can also promote healthy fetal development and reduce the risk of birth defects. Finally, let's talk about the importance of hydration. Many people don't realize that dehydration can cause a variety of health problems, from headaches and fatigue to kidney stones and even seizures. Drinking plenty of water and consuming fluids like herbal tea and fruit juice can help keep our bodies hydrated and healthy. In conclusion, nutrition is a critical component of our overall health and well-being. By making smart food choices and following a balanced diet, we can prevent many health problems and improve our quality of life. It's never too late to start making positive changes to our diet and taking control of our health.